Okay, so today is day number 3 with the K18 products in my hair. Okay, so this is day 3 of having the K18 in my hair, and guys, I have to say I'm not mad at it. You know, my hair definitely feels stronger after only one use, and I'm gonna wash my hair probably the following weekend, and I'll use the product again, and I'll just keep updating you guys. So I'm not gonna straighten my hair again. I only straightened it just because I wanted to see what it would feel like with my hair straightened. And I'm glad that I did, because I noticed a difference. Like when my hair was coily, I didn't feel like the product actually worked. Then when I straightened my hair, I was like, yeah, it definitely worked. My hair definitely feels stronger, and I'm not mad at it. So I'm not telling anyone to run out and buy it. I'm just saying that for the first use, I definitely noticed it. So just give me a couple more uses with this thing, and I'll let you know if I experience any breakage, if I experience any problems with the product. Okay, so I just want to show you guys where most of my thinning happens for me, and it's in the front of my hair. You can see how see-through it is in the front, and yeah. So this is all the area that I have most of my shedding, and I have most of my thinning. So, you know, I just want to provide you with some helpful resources for those of you that are also experiencing this. It's very frustrating. It's very, I don't know, it kind of does something to your like confidence just a little bit, you know, because like I said, I remember, you know, when I was in my 20s and I was in my 30s, I had no issues growing my hair. I had no issues with thinning, any of that stuff. And now that I'm here now, it's like, it's just super frustrating. So I'm going to continue on my journey. I'm going to continue to figure out ways to treat my body internally, and just come back and report to you guys. So, all right, I will see you in my next video. I'm going to revert my hair back, and I'm going to go right back to my twist and my half wig that I normally wear. So while I'm here, I want to show you guys my edges. And I really feel like the minoxidil helped so much. So if you're on the fence of whether or not you want to use the PMB formula, you know, I'll try and find one of the other videos so that you can see that my hair is growing back really nicely in the front. So it's not perfect, but I'm just happy to see, you know, a fuller hairline. So some things that you want to consider before using minoxidil is that you are going to have to use it for life. So the hair that I have that has grown back, if I stop using the minoxidil, my dermatologist told me that it will fall out and just kind of take you back to your original state. So yeah, so I'm just looking for some other alternatives because I don't want to stay on minoxidil forever. I just wanted to see if it actually worked, and it definitely does. But you know, the thought of having to stay on something forever is really annoying and kind of daunting. So I'm gonna look for other alternatives to see, you know, what I can use to continue to help to grow my edges without having to be on something long-term or permanent. All right, guys, I'm exhausted. Today is Sunday. I just want to relax. I have a bunch of editing to do. I still have videos that I've recorded that I have not edited, and I need to get to it. All right, guys, so I am gonna get out of here. I hope that you're having a wonderful weekend. Of course, when it comes to your hair type, you should always foresee beauty. Okay, look at you making it to the end of the video. So if you are interested, I have some other links right here that you can click on to see what I do here on this channel. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.